Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to actually wash a shoe and it's gonna still last. This shoe is over 3 years already. 3 years ago I bought this shoe. My son has been wearing it for like 2 years now and it's still okay. So what I do to wash it is I take a foam. If you got a little bit of soap, that's fine, but if not, I'm using my hand wash. Just squeeze it in, yeah. Then when it's foam, you just use this side to scrub this side like you wash. I'm using one hand, that's it. You scrub this side like this, yeah. Anyway, I'll show you guys when I'm done. You just scrub this side with this one, then you just use this other part for the body. I'll show you guys when I'm done. Okay guys, I've washed this one. You see, you spot the difference. See how white it is? And this hasn't been washed yet. You see the difference? This hasn't been washed, this has been washed. So when you want to rinse it off, you don't rinse it inside water. Rinse your sponge, then you wipe it with this side. Wipe everything with this side. You don't have to dip the whole thing in water. Like I said, my son has been using it for 2 years. Although it was bigger than him, that's why he's been using it for 2 years. So that just I'm gonna watch the other one, then I clean this and you see the difference. I'll see you guys later. Bye. So yes guys, this I have cleaned. Look at it. Look how clean it is actually. So you don't have to dip it in the washing machine. You see the inside is very dry, because dipping it in the washing machine or soaking it in the whole of water can actually make it spoil easily. This yet hasn't been wiped yet, so I'm gonna wipe it as well and come back as well and show you guys the the finished product. So yes, so guys, I'm done. See, you see, so clean. So this is how to hand wash. You hand wash, and that's it. So you just leave it somewhere to dry and voila, it looks so new. I love this. And yeah, for the down part, you can just rinse it with water. That's it. So yeah, it's all done. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. I don't know what my next video will be all about, but see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.